In this video we see how to create a small management system from zero, using advanced editing tools. As the first thing, we will create a new empty database. In this example, we will proceed to build a small intervention management. By choosing the function, create the first table, the program will add the table to the database and it will also automatically create the section to allow you to see the data. Once this is done, the program will lead us automatically to the editing window, where we will start to build our data system management. By pressing on the table framework, it will appear the menu with rapid functions. From here, it is possible to execute all the main changes. Let's start by adding a field of type under table of the interventions. With this operation, beyond the field, it will be created even the table from which the values will be recovered. By pressing on the link, we can directly modify the field parameters, for example the combinations, the data that will be recovered by the client, and insert in the intervention. Directly from here, it is possible to create the other fields of the client. Now, we can select the field just created and recreate it automatically inside the interventions. We now create an additional table in order to insert the annotations connected to the intervention. We press on the table to open its menu and we create its fields. By pressing reset, after saving, we can continue to create the other fields without exiting the window. We can always see the current result by opening a new data sheet of intervention. Or we can always open the editor of the board to reposition the fields as we like. As the final thing, we can create a new section directly from here. For example, if we want to see the data inside an agenda. If the program doesn't find the necessary field inside the table, it will ask you to create them automatically. This way the table will be immediately ready to be used in the chosen context. Thank you for the attention. Write us if you have any question, and see you soon.